Hello everyone, my name is Ziren Naik and you are watching Device Hacker. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about tokens, keywords and identifier. So let's begin. Tokens. C program have so many elements and these elements are referred as a token. Elements are used to build a program and tokens are classified into 6 parts. So first is keyword, second is identifier, third is strings, fourth are constants or we can also set them literals, fifth is special symbol, punctuators or we can also set them separators, and sixth is operators. So in today's video we are going to discuss about keywords and identifier. So let's begin. So keywords are the reserved words by a programming language. C has reserved some word for that task, for the specific task. Like each keyword is meant to perform a specific function in a program, and C has total 32 reserved word whose task is predefined and we cannot use this word for our other purpose. Like it is a rule, we can't use keyword for our own purpose. There are 32 keywords, but I have mentioned some important keywords and most used keyword that you have to remember. So first is integer, a lowercase I, an integer, float, double and character. These four are data type. Now what is data type? I am going to make a video on data type and variables. So other are void, return, if and etc. So these are the keywords. Now we have moved towards identifier. So identifier is a name given to a variable, function or array. Now when you are building a program and when you are performing any task, you have to give a specific name to an array and variable or any function so that you can identify that this is a variable, this is a function or this is an array. But there are some specific rule for declaring an identifier. So first is they must consist of only letter, digits or underscore. We can't use any other special character as an identifier. Second, they must begin with a letter or underscore. We can't use digit as a first word of our identifier. Third, keywords can't be used as identifier name. As I have told you that keywords are the reserved word. We can't use keyword for our own purpose. Fourth, lowercase and uppercase identifiers are different. Fifth, space is not allowed between identifier. We can't use space between identifier. Now there are some example and we have to classify that which are identifiers and which are not. So let's begin. Like first is 1 and A. As I told you, we can't use digit as a first word of our identifier. So this is false. Second, A. A is a letter. We can use A as a first identifier, first word of our identifier. So yes, this is true. Underscore, yes, we can use underscore as a first word of our identifier. So this is also true. See, there is a space between VI and CE, and space are not allowed between identifier. So this is false. See, this is a special character. We can't use special character as identifier. We can only use underscore as identifier. So this is false. Now as I told you, this is a lowercase I, means this is a data type, this is a keyword. We can't use keyword as identifier. So this is also false. Last 7 the I is in uppercase. It means it is not data type or it is not a keyword. So we can use a uppercase in as a identifier. As I told you, uppercase and lowercase are different. So hope you understand the basics of token, identifier and keywords. Hope you like this video. So thank you.